Hello, my friends, Amy D. Cohen. And I want to talk to you about how to brand yourself. There's always so much talk about branding and how important it is, and it's going to get you to where you want to get to. It's not. Branding is being authentic, being yourself, sharing your information. If you want to choose colors for your site, that's one thing. If you want to get a grand logo, that's another thing. I just don't think that that is what is going to make you or break you. What is going to bring you personal branding is the information that you are sharing. You want to bring your audience to you. You don't need anybody else but the audience that needs you. So when you get out there and you talk and you share information, valuable information, using your name, not a company name, that's a very special tip. Use your name. My site is amydcohen.com. Use your name. Get people to know you because you never know where you're going to branch out. But what you speak, what you share, what you speak on, what you're teaching others, how you are helping, the problems you are solving, you are creating your personal brands by doing all that. Everything else does not matter. Your videos don't have to be perfect. Your posts don't have to be perfect. All you need to do is share the love, share the information you want, and people are going to know you from that. And that is how you're going to grow. That's how you're going to grow your brand. That's how you're going to create your brand. And that's all that's important, helping the people that need you. And I know that's what you're trying to do. You want to get out there. So link below, I have a Facebook page I want to share with you. I share lots of information, other videos, more videos. Sometimes I just speak and do lives on there. Come join me, because it's important that you have a mentor or a coach, someone that gives you information that you connect with. Find that person, join their pages, and start moving forward. Get yourself branded, share information. That's how you do it. Take care, my friends. Amy D. Cohen.